Here's the situation. You become so good at programming that one day when you're building a yo mama joke generator, you realize, what the heck man, how's someone gonna play it if I give them all these dumb lines of Python?
Well, if that's you clicked on the right video, because today we'll be turning our Python files into DMG files. Let's get started.
Here I have my simple app which tells random yo mama jokes. And the first thing we need to do is import the py2app module. So put pip install py2app in the terminal. And the next thing we need to do is create a setup file, which tells the py2app module how to build your app. So create the setup file and put from setup tools import setup. And then put app equals, and in the brackets put the name of your file name. So mine would be yourmamajoke.py, and then put options equals curly brackets, use argv emulation true. Now we need to put setup bracket app equals app, options equals curly brackets py2app's options, and then setup requires equals py2app, and that's it for the setup file. Now we can run the py2app module to create our DMG. So in the terminal we put python setup.py py2app, and it should create a build file and a dist file in the directory where we hold our Python files. So if we go to our dist file, we'll find our DMG, and if we run it, it should look something like this. So now we have a fully working DMG.